Electric vehicles, or EVs, are becoming more common in today's market,
EVs are equipped with extremely high torque power.
making for smooth, quick driving.
So, while we're leaving gas-powered vehicles in the past, there's just one question.
How do we charge these things?
There are 3 different levels of charging: 110 volt, 240 volt, and 480 volt.
Here's how level 1 charging works. 110 volt power 20 amp outlets, which are standard in all homes, usually have no additional cost required but provide very slow charging, 4 miles of range per hour. Next, there's level 2 charging. Level 2 at home 240 volt have 40 to 80 amp circuits and must be installed by professionals like Lantern Electrical. They're far more efficient by adding about 40 miles of range per hour. Most common for EV owners, you can charge at night and drive during the day. This eliminates the gas station. Level 2 charging at the office. Level 2 at your office puts you on the map while encouraging green living and attracts high-quality employees and customers. Level 2 in parking garage charging. When advertising the presence of charging stations, you can drive people to your business and increase your image. Some charging stations may not fit your vehicle and will require an adapter. Level 3, Tesla's fast charging stations. DC fast charging is available in select commercial areas requiring 480 volt power. This can charge your vehicle to 80% in under 30 minutes.
Contact Lantern Electrical today to set up your free estimate.